This is an experiment to control two LEDs using Amazon Alexa voice assistant and Nodemcu. And we are using Arduino IoT cloud platform to do this experiment. In this experiment, I am using two LEDs. The anode of the first LED is connected to D1 pin of Nodemcu and cathode is connected to ground. In the same way, the anode of the second diode is connected to D2 pin of NodeMCU and the cathode is connected to ground pin. So this is about the connection. Now I'll explain how to set up the dashboard in Arduino IoT cloud platform. Go to Google Chrome and type here Arduino cloud. So after clicking on Arduino cloud, click on the first link, Arduino Cloud CC. Okay, so click on Get Started. So before that, you should be registered to the Arduino IoT. So after registration, your dashboard will open like this. Then click on Get Started. So click on, this is the first step, click on IoT Cloud. So in this previously set up two devices are there. I'll remove this first. I'll delete completely. Okay, now you are first time using, you will get the screen like this. Create thing. Okay, then click on, give the title, control two LEDs. Control two LEDs using Alexa or whatever you can give here. After that, click on setup device. Click on the new setup new device. Click on third party device. Choose the device type ESP8266 and the model you have to select Nodemcu 1.0 ESP12E model and click on continue and give the name of the device as Nodemcu. Anything you can give here. Click on next. So here the device ID and secret key are generated automatically. You copy this and paste it in a notepad, or else you can download the PDF. In downloaded PDF, you will have these device ID and secret key. So this is very useful for a later use. So for that purpose, you have to save these two content in either notepad or in PDF. So minimize it and tick here. I save my device ID and secret key for confirmation. It is asking us and click on continue. Then congratulations, you are all set. Click on done. So this is the way first step. The second step is configuring the network. So how to configure the network? Configure network, click here and Wi-Fi name and password you select. And here you should paste your secret key. Go back to the notepad and copy the secret key only. Control C. So copy the secret key and paste it in the place where it has asked. Then click on save. Okay. Then here device is set up, network is set up. Now we will add the variable, add variable. So the name of the variable I'll give LED1 and select the type Alexa compatible because we are going to give the voice command from the Alexa. And the type is here light. Then click on add variable. Okay, so I want to create one more variable because I have two LEDs. Add variable. I'll give the name of the variable as LED2 and the same procedure, Alexa compatible, and the type is light and add variable. Okay, so two variables we created, and the device is set up and network is set up. Then what we should do, we should go to the dashboard. Okay, so in dashboard, you click on the first option. Sorry, click on the dashboard. So create dashboard you give. So while creating on dashboard, if you have the earlier devices, you delete that. Otherwise, you will get, if you are doing for the first time, it will ask you to set up the dashboard. You click on that. After that, you will get the device and click on this. And here you should click on add. So we should add a widget here. I'll add one widget here. And I'll click on link. I'll give the name of the widget as switch 1. And I'll link the variable now. So for LED1, I am linking and link variable. So one widget is set up now. Okay. Now click on done. Now again add the second widget. Take the second switch and link a variable. So for whom I should link the variable? For second LED, and link variable. Click on link variable and click on done. So two switches are created on the dashboard. So I did not give the name of the switch as switch 2. We can edit it if possible. Yes, so I can edit the switch as switch 2 because for the first one I have given switch 1. For second one I'll give switch 2. Again you click on done. So see here, this is switch 1 and this is switch 2. So two switches or widgets are created on a dashboard. Now go back to things and click on the device. So here you will get the option sketch. So click on sketch. So you need to do some modification in the sketch. So after hash include things properties.h after this. Okay, after this. So click here, enter, and define int relay 1. I'm giving the variable name as relay 1 is equal to, for D1, for D1 pin, I'm connecting the first LED, and in the same fashion, relay 2 will declare it for second LED, D2. So I'll just change as relay 2. And here I am changing it as D2 because I'm using two LEDs. This is the first step of modification. In the second step, you have to declare it the pin mode. So pin mode. So pin mode relay 1. Relay 1, you want to make it as output pin. And put semicolon here. And I'll copy the same thing for the second variable. So I'll make it as relay 2. And both the variables we declared as output variable. After that, you go down after wide loop. Here, wide on LED1 change. Here we need to write the code. Press enter. If bracket relay 1 is equal to 1. Close the bracket. Press enter. Open flower bracket. Press enter. Digital right. Check the spelling. Digital right. Digital right. Open bracket. what I should send? I should send relay 1, sorry, here I should check LED 1, not relay 1. Relay 1, I am making it as output. LED 1 is equal to 1. Then I should send relay 1, comma 1, semicolon. So I'll copy this, Control C. Then else, you write else, E-L-S-E, else, open flower bracket. So distal write relay 1, comma 0. Okay. So this is for the first code. Okay. In the same way, for the second LED, again, I want to check if LED2 is equal to 1. Okay. So open flower bracket, Control V, open flower bracket. After that, somewhere it is. Okay. So if LED2 is equal to 1, distal write relay 2, comma 1, else, enter, open flower bracket, enter, Control V, relay 2, comma relay 2, comma 0. So there relay 1, comma 1, relay 1, comma 0, relay 2, comma 1, else relay 2, comma 0. So this is our modified code. Now what we will do, we will connect the Nodemcu and we will select the board and a port. Now I am opening full editor. So it is visible in full editor. If I don't click on full editor, it is less visible. Now I have to select the COM port 3 and Nodemcu 1.0. Now my work is to upload the program to Nodemcu. It takes few seconds of time to upload our program. Now the program is uploading. You can see it on a monitor. In terms of percentage, it is giving 19%, 38%. So you can check here. Okay, it is completely uploaded to our Nodemcu. So successfully uploaded to the Nodemcu. Now we will check the result. In this experiment, I am using two LEDs. And the yellow one is first LED and green one is second LED. The anode of the first LED is connected to D1 pin of Nodemcu and cathode is connected to ground. And anode of the second LED is connected to D2 pin of Nodemcu and the cathode is connected to ground. This is the this is the connection between the Nodemcu and two LEDs, and the Nodemcu is connected to laptop using USB cable. Now I will show you how to control the LED using a dashboard on in IoT Arduino IoT cloud platform. This is the switch VZ I have created on a dashboard. Now this is for LED 1. I'll turn on LED 1. No, LED 1 is turned on. I'll turn off LED 1. LED 1 is turned off. Again I'll go to dashboard and I'll choose the second LED, that is switch number 2. Now I'll turn on switch number 2. Green LED will glow. Yes, it is turned on. I'll turn off green LED. Okay, so in this way, from the dashboard also, Arduino IoT Cloud dashboard also, you can control both the LEDs. In place of LED, you can connect to two bulbs through the relay module. So you can use two channel 5 volts relay module to connect to two AC bulbs. So in the same manner, you can control two LEDs. You should first install Amazon Alexa app in your mobile from the Play Store. After installation, click on Alexa. Click on more option. Here you have got a more option. Click on more. Okay, so click on skills and games. In search option, you type Arduino. Type Arduino. So you will get 4 options. Click on the first option, Arduino. So you will get many options here. Click on the first option, Arduino. So earlier if you have anything, so you disable skill. First time if you are doing, you will not get this option. So if you have done already once, you will get disable option. You disable it first. After that you will get enable to use. So it takes few seconds to enable. Okay, so our Arduino has been successfully linked. You will get this message. After that, click the close the window. Okay, Alexa is looking for devices to connect. So it takes a few seconds to look for devices to connect. So here you got the message, 2 devices found connected. See here. So you got this option. Then click on next. So here the 2 devices are LED1 and LED2. So click on LED1. Click on setup device. So the first LED I'll place it in living room. So after that, add to group. Click on add to group. Then click on continue. Okay, click on continue. LED1 setup is ready to use. Continue. So now click on LED2. This we have to set up now. After clicking on LED2, set up device. Now I want to place the second light in bedroom. So add to group. Then LED2 is added to the bedroom. Continue. Then LED2 is set up and ready to use. Continue. And all your devices are set up. Done. So here I will get the options bedroom and a living room. Now I will show you how to control the 2 LEDs from the 1 LED from bedroom and 1 LED from living room. I have created a dashboard in a mobile using Amazon Alexa. So one light I have set up in bedroom and another one in a living room. Okay. So here I am using 2 LEDs to control from Amazon Alexa. So first I will click on living room. So the LED name I have given as LED1. Now I will give the command. Alexa, turn on LED1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off LED1.
Okay.
Now I'll go back to bedroom. Yes, I'll click on bedroom. Here I have used LED 2. I'll give the command now. Alexa, turn on LED 2.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off LED 2.
Okay.
Okay, in this way, you can control both the LEDs using Amazon Alexa app.